This is the Roxanne Show. Get ready. It's time to rise. You have to dare to believe that what you truly want to experience in any domain of your life as a whole, is actually possible for you. Because again, your thoughts, your feelings, your beliefs are what create your life and are certainly the core elements to manifesting. So many of the books around manifesting, even if they're not books that are focused specifically on manifesting, touch on those three core elements. Why? Because it really just does come down to that, and then, so let me actually say this. So the more confidence, the more, I don't even want to say trust that you have that certain things that you desire will unfold for you. Trust is cool. Trust is important. It's more of this knowing energy, right? Knowing energy. Knowing feels deeper than trusting, right? Because trust is still like, I don't know. It's like one notch up it. And it's so important. So I'm not at all, cutting that down. It's so important. And I find like when you are on this manifesting journey that and let's just say you're in a really great place with it, sometimes you're in a strong place of knowing, but then you'll move into a place of trusting. And that's a perfect way to explain what I'm trying to say, because in the trust, it's almost like you are combating, whether it's subtly or maybe it's not so subtle. It's like a big moment of having to combat this doubt or this insecurity, some kind of belief or worry around it not happening for you, it not being possible for you. So you have to reinforce that trust. But when trust is so locked in, you're in a state of just knowing. When we use Amazon again as the example, when you order from Amazon, you're not trusting that Amazon, your package is going to show up. You just know. Because you've already developed trust with Amazon at this point. I'm not saying they can't fuck up at times, because they certainly can. But for the most part, they're pretty on point, right? They say they're going to get you that box by 2 p.m. on a Sunday, and it's showing up by 2 p.m. on a Sunday. So over time, that consistency, that trust consistency puts you in a place where you just know you're going to get what you ordered. Right. And there are so many people who actually talk about manifesting in that way too. And it's cool to put in, because this is, again, it's like a resource episode for you. What's your order? Put in your order. Be clear about what you truly want, which is actually hard for a lot of people, but it is a very important piece here. Put the order in, and then you have to do the work of just knowing that, like Amazon, it's going to come through. Thanks so much for listening, you guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to leave us a 5-star rating and review.